Good morning, good morning. I put on some makeup for once since people are going to be looking at me all day. I'm gonna be wearing a mask, so my eyes might as well look good. I was planning to dye my eyebrows before I left here, but I didn't. So I have my backpack, and I just packed some water and like some snacks. We're gonna have breakfast now. It's almost 7:30, so I'm gonna head downstairs. And I don't know when lunch is. It's probably closer to 1 if I can have it like when I feel like having it. So it's nice to have like a little bit of something. So I have a couple of protein bars. Ooh. Couple of protein bars, some cashew nuts, and then like my wallet and stuff. So I'm just gonna go downstairs. I'm a little bit early, but I just feel like having coffee, honestly. Breakfast time. This is basically what I always eat when I'm at a hotel. And then they didn't have soy milk or oat milk. They had rice milk, which I've never had in coffee before. But I'm generally not a fan of rice milk. It just doesn't, it's not creamy enough. But I need coffee, so. Gjennom de agre byer og åpen er de til paradis. Hi guys. It's 10:15 p.m. and we just got back in for dinner. We left at 7. Like, where did the time go? There's like 3 of us, so we're just talking, and it's so nice. I actually get to know the people I work with. So I should actually take a shower, but I'm gonna ignore it. And I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail tomorrow so that I can ignore my hair tomorrow. But I'm gonna wash the face because I have mask everywhere, it feels like. And then I bought a day cream or a face cream. Good morning. I am on my way down to breakfast. Etasje 1. Okay, breakfast consumed. And I just put on my work pants. And I'm gonna change my top when I get to work. We're gonna stop by Starbucks and pick up some coffee. And then we're headed out. Nede, ja. Hey guys, I have walked 18,500 steps today. My feet are dead, I am dead, we're all dead. So I just ordered some Indian food from Foodora, and they're delivering to the hotel. so I can just pick it up when it's done. It should be here in about an hour. I'm getting a call. Sorry, the restaurant called because I ordered food and it said that they didn't contain milk, and then he called me to say that they couldn't make it vegan because it did contain milk, even if it didn't say so in the allergens. So he changed out the samosa that I ordered for some masala that he could make vegan. And then I ordered a couple of other things as well because I originally ordered 3 appetizers because that's what they had that was vegan, or what I thought was vegan. So the other one is some fried vegetable thing, and then it's some other vegetable thing. And then I think it was chana masala that he could make vegan. So I'm just gonna order in today. I am so tired. And then I originally thought that we would go work tomorrow, and then we were let know that we could stay another night in the hotel and go back on Thursday, which apparently was not correct. So we're working tomorrow, and then I have to drive back home, which is like 4 or 5 hours, and then work on Thursday. I'm exhausted. Food is here. I'm guessing this is, I don't remember what it's called, fried bread thing. Pias pakora. And then this is the salad. I thought this was like more than sliced vegetables, but okay. Okay, I'm assuming this is not vegan. This looks like raita. And then this is chana masala. And then just rice. Good morning. I just came back up from breakfast and we're checking out today. So I'm just gonna change from these pants to my work pants. And I have my work sweater in my backpack right here. I'm not ready to drive tonight. Igår, ja?
Ja.
Hey guys, I am picking up food. I have driven 3 hours and 35 minutes. And I'm now at Max in Lier, and I'm just waiting for my dinner and Marius's dinner. I had to stop and sleep on the way here because I was so tired. I told you yesterday that I walked 18,500 steps yesterday. And so far today, it's now 6:30. I've walked 18,000. Which is insane and so much more than I usually walk. There's been so much walking. It feels nice, but it's also a lot because I'm not used to walking that much in a day. Good morning. I'm making coffee and I think I left my camera in here. Yep. I'm so tired. Especially after I had to stop and sleep on my way home yesterday. Just today. And then I have a little over a week off. And it's gonna be so nice. This is our new hiding spot. Hi. Hey guys, sorry for all the background noise. I have the fan on, the oven, and the dishwasher on. So I'm making dinner for tomorrow. That way they can just be heated up. So let me show you what I'm doing. So this is the filling, and this is done now. This is 1 onion, like a yellow onion, 1 bag of vegan mince, and then spices. There's like turmeric, pepper, kala namak, and salt, and I don't know, some other spices. And then I got some vegan butter dough. And I'm just rolling them out with a pin, and then I can fill these with the filling, bake them in the oven, and then I can have these for dinner tomorrow. So I'm just making all 6. I'm trying to try to even it out so that I can have enough filling for 6 of these. And then I'm just rolling them out basically as thin as I can have them. Okay, so I got about 1/6 of the filling on here. And then I'm just gonna take some water on a finger and just run that along the edge. And then we're folding the top over, and then you just close them with a fork like this. And there they go. And I'm gonna check on them in 12 minutes, which is the minimum amount of time that they recommend for the butter dough. And then we're just gonna take it from there. It's just gonna need more or not. Okay, so they are finished. So I have 3 in here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. So you can kind of see this is what they look like. Good morning. It is Christmas Eve, and in Norway we always celebrate Christmas on Christmas Eve instead of Christmas Day. So it's about 11 and I'm just making a cake, and I figured I should update you. This is the same cake I made for the baby shower a while back and also for work a while back. So it's just a spiced cake. So we have all the dry ingredients in here. This is flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, ginger, and some spices that I don't remember the English word of. Baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And then in here we're having apple jam, soy milk, and oil. And then we're mixing this together and then mixing this in here. And then it's gonna bake in the oven for like 30, 40, I think probably like 40, 45 minutes is what I've had to do. I also have to make a rice porridge for my dessert tonight. We got the cake in the oven, and I'm making the rice porridge. This is going to be my breakfast today, as well as an ingredient for dessert later. And then, of course, coffee. What lovely temperatures we have today. Okay, porridge is done, cake is done, breakfast and coffee. And this is usually served with butter, cinnamon, and sugar. And I'm gonna watch an episode of Sex and the City before I go upstairs and wake Marius. Good morning. Marius just left. He's going with a friend to pick up an engine for a car today. So it's 10:45 and I have some plans for today. I need to edit, and then also I want to do the last of the trim in my room, and move things around. I really need to vacuum the floors upstairs. But I'm gonna watch an episode of Emily in Paris first because the new season came out yesterday and I should probably get some food. Hey guys, I just moved around things a little in my office so that I can start doing the trim. So I moved the seats that I had here behind my desk over to the other corner, and Molly is exploring because things aren't as they were. Last time I did the trim on like the areas where I could stand, so I'm missing the parts where I can't. Hi. What? And then I'm planning on hanging my guitar on the wall here. It's a green guitar that I got from my grandparents years ago. And then I have shelves to hang here. Marius is going to help me move this mirror on the other side and hang it up when he gets home. And then I'm going to finish spackling in there and painting it. I'm not sure if everything that I just said is going to be done like today. The mirror is probably not going to be done today because Marius isn't here. Oh, I want to show you also because if you remember, I bought a... Sorry, Molly is just walking around the seat. I bought a Monstera variegata a few months back, and I chopped it down. And the top cuttings nothing has happened yet, but the bottom half that's in... What are you doing? The bottom half that's in soil that has like proper roots and stuff just got its new first leaf. This one right here. How pretty. I can't wait for this to completely unfurl. It is very white, which is kind of concerning, but I'm hoping it's gonna be okay. This Marantha is really not doing well, and I think it's part to the low humidity in here. This one though, you can't really see that, but this is the Florida hybrid that I got, and the new leaf is starting to sprout out, and in there something is sprouting out. So there's currently quite a lot of things happening, which is really cool, especially with like the middle of winter that we're currently in. I just finished the first coat, so I'm just gonna find some lunch. And I'm gonna make spring rolls just in the air fryer. And then I'm gonna edit the video that's going up tonight. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna take the second coat. I upgraded my Windows computer to Windows 11 and it almost looks like a Mac now. From what I remember from using a Mac in school.